Thinking about getting a tattoo but can't find the perfect design? Today, I'll show you the best AI tattoo generators and exactly how to use AI to design your next tattoo. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to download HitPaw Edimakor. You can find the official download link in the description below. Once you're inside Edimakor, click AI Image, then choose Image Generator. Select Text to Image, and choose the Seedream 4.0 model. It's currently one of the best models for generating high-quality images. Now, describe what you want your tattoo to look like. If you're aiming for something unique but don't have a clear idea yet, you can simply use the prompt generator to get inspiration. Next, select your resolution, aspect ratio, and quantity, then click Generate. Each time, the AI will create 4 different images for you. Here are some tattoo designs I created using different prompts. If you want to see how the tattoo will look on your body, you can use Reference Image. Select Seedream 4.0, upload the tattoo image and your body image. Enter the prompt, set the resolution, aspect ratio, and quantity again. Then hit Generate, and that's final result. Feel free to experiment and customize it to your own style. Alright, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips and content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.